This lesson is 1.7 on subtracting whole numbers. For number 1, the directions say estimate, then find the difference. So they have estimated to the highest value 780,000. Is it closer to 700,000 or 800,000? What is it?
800,000.
Perfect. So that's where they got that number. And 229,000. Is it closer to 200,000 or 300,000? What is it?
300,000.
It is closer to 200,000. So 800,000 minus 200,000 is what, everyone? 600,000. Okay, so that's where they got their estimate. And then they subtracted, and they did have to regroup. So it's important to know how to do that. So let's go ahead and do number 2. We'll do the same thing. Okay, number 2 is 428,731 closer to 400,000 or 500,000? Yeah, 400,000 because there's that 2 there. So I'm going to write 400,000, small as I can. Okay, 175,000. Is it closer to 100,000 or 200,000? 200. Great. So write 200,000. And because we're subtracting right here, we know we're going to subtract to find our estimate too. So what's 400,000 minus 200,000? Everybody? What? 200,000. So that is our estimate. We'll write it up here so it's easier to correct also. Okay, now we're just going to subtract. Now we do have to regroup sometimes, right? Okay, let's start with which column? The ones column or the highest value? What do you think? Ones column, good. Okay, can we take 2 from 1? Can we do that? No, because 1 is smaller than 2, right? So we're going to take 10 from this 3, and that becomes a 2. And now 10 plus 1 is what? Everybody? What's 10 plus 1? 11. Good. All right, now we can subtract. So now, everybody, what is 11 minus 2? 9. Good, so we do that. Okay, can we take 4 from 2? No, we have to take 1 from the hundreds column. So what is 7 minus 1? 6. Okay, and we're going to add that. Ooh, let's take that one away. We wrote it in the wrong spot. So that 6 is above the 7. I'll figure out how to fix that later. So 6, the 7 becomes a 6, and we add that 10 to the 2. What's 10 plus 2, everyone? 12. So write 12 above that. So now what's 12 minus 4, everybody?
3.
Think again. What's 12 minus 4? 8. Good. Good. Now we move to the hundreds column, and we have a 6 there. Can we take 8 from 6, everyone? No. Okay, we have a 6 minus 8. Can we do it? No, why? Why can we not do that?
Because 6 is lesser than
6 is smaller than 8. So we have to take 1 from this 8, and that becomes a 7. Let me write in blue now so you can see. So this becomes a 7, and we can add that 10 to the 6. So what's 10 plus 6, everyone? 16. Good. Now 16 minus 8. We know that one. What is that? 8. Good. Write it down. Okay, now bring down your thousands. Now we have a 7 minus 5. Can we do that? Yeah. What is it? 2. Good. Okay. Now we move to the 10,000s place, and we have a 2 minus 7. Can we do that? No, we can't. So now we have 2 minus 7. We can't do it because why? Yeah, the 2 is smaller than 7. So we're going to take a 10 from the 4. That becomes a 3. 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, now can we subtract? Yes. What's 12 minus 7, everyone? 5. Okay, and 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So our answer, let's say it out loud. Ready? Go. 252,000 889. Okay, I'm sorry it's harder to see because my stylus doesn't work as well on this, but we talked about it and the answer is great. We've done a great job. Let's look at 7 really quick because it has all those zeros. We don't need to be afraid of the zeros, right? No, and I'll tell you why. So let's move to 7. I'm going to line these up. I'm going to do it over here on the side so you can see it a little better. So we've got 600,000 minus 145. Let me move it over there. There we go. 145,782. What you can do is write this number right underneath that one. Okay, so let's take 5 seconds and do that. Write that number, 145,782, under the 600,000. 3, 2, 1, ready. Okay, so we just have to think of 600,000 as 6. We have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll do 4 zeros minus 1. What is that number? What is it? 60,000 minus 1 is what? If you just think about it, if you had 60,000 minus 1 is 59,999, right? Right? Did you get the same answer? Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. This becomes 599,099, and that 10 we took away from that goes above that one. So these numbers are all gone. These are the new numbers, and now we can subtract. So what is, and it's going to be easy because those numbers are all the higher numbers. So let's subtract 10 minus 2. Everybody, what is it? 9 minus 8, what is it? 9 minus 7 is what? 2. Bring down the 1,000. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. 9 minus 4 is what? 5. And 5 minus 1 is what? 4. That's how you will subtract that one. Now remember to add to check. You're just going to take that answer, 454,218, and add it to the number that we took away. So 145,782. You're going to add it, and you should come up with 600,000 when you get it. You're going to do great. Just follow the steps and line your numbers up with the ones column first.